Hey everybody, it's the Burger Dude, and today I want to show you how I make a vegan spicy Big Mac. There isn't much to say that isn't self-explanatory in the title. We're going to make some spicy Big Mac sauce, we're going to add some peppers to the burger patty, and we're going to replace the pickles with grilled jalapenos. Now, when I eat spicy stuff, I like it to be super spicy, but not to the point where I'm not having any fun, and I feel like I nailed it with this burger. Also, at the end of this video, you get to watch me actually eat it and see just how spicy it is. But with that, let's get to making a spicy Big Mac. So we're gonna start off with the spicy Big Mac sauce. Like I said, I did find this Just Mayo. You know, it's a rarity. It's like a unicorn for me, but I did find some, so I grabbed it. I think I actually like the Follow Your Heart Vegenaise a little bit better, but you know, that's just me. So we're gonna add some ketchup and mustard, and I'm just eyeballing all this stuff. This is just a lesson in the art of eyeballing. I'm also gonna add some of this chopped chipotles, as I often do. I also found these habaneros, so I'm gonna add a little bit of the pickling juice from that as well. And then this Da Bomb sauce, which a lot of you have told me that you hate. I like this stuff. It's pretty dang spicy. And at first I was gonna be a little bit conservative because I tried a little bit just like, you know, on my finger, like just by itself, and I was like, wow, that's pretty dang spicy. But you know, once it's kind of diluted in a bunch of mayo and ketchup and whatnot, it kind of loses its kick. So I ended up using about, I think, half of a teaspoon to about, I don't know, probably half a cup or so of, you know, Big Mac sauce. But if you have something like this on hand, it's really fun to just kind of experiment and throw in super spicy stuff into your Big Mac sauce. So go for that. That tasted great to me. And then next we're gonna slice up some jalapenos, and I am leaving the seeds in because this is a spicy Big Mac. And then we're gonna get some iceberg lettuce, probably one of the only cool elements in this whole burger. And I do recommend shredding up your own iceberg lettuce. I just have better luck with that. And always use the back end of your knife when you're scooching stuff around so you don't screw up the sharp end of your knife. And now it's time to prepare what we call the club part of the sandwich. That's why you call it a club sandwich, because it's got the middle bread. So you just wanna get a bread knife. Definitely need a serrated knife, and you just kind of want to just shave off the very bottom of another bottom bun to expose the interior like that. And now you've got your club for your Big Mac. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's put together our burger patty. So I'm starting off with these, I think I'm saying this right, Toriados. And I thought these were going to be spicier than they were. I've had a taco at a local place out here called Guisados. They have a Toriado taco, and that thing kicked my butt, literally. And these were not nearly as spicy as those, but I think I added in about an ounce of the peppers to 6 ounces of the Impossible meat for a total of 7 ounces, which is going to be important later because you'll see here that I celebrated something a little prematurely. But we're going to add in some smoked ghost pepper as well. And again, have fun, experiment with this, whatever you have on hand, or if there's something you've been meaning to try. Like for instance, I wanted to try some of this Hot Ones, the last dab. I didn't know how spicy this stuff was. I took a little bit on my finger and it was pretty spicy, so you know, probably too conservative. I could have put more. I do love this stuff by the Bravado Spice Company as well, so I just gave that a few drops of that stuff. And that was it for my burger patty. I mixed that up. And here I wanted to get I wanted to get 3 ounces, and look what I did. This is the first time this has ever happened. I just plopped what I thought was about 3 ounces, and I was on the dot, 3 ounces. I was very proud of myself. The only problem was I needed 3.5 because with that extra ounce of peppers, I actually had about 7 ounces of a burger patty mixture. So, you know, still, I'm gonna celebrate it. So there you go. That's what your pepper-infused burger patty should look like, something like that. We're gonna grill our buns in a little bit more of that Just vegan mayo. Get them so that they look nice and toasted brown like that. Then we're gonna get a little bit of oil in that pan, and we're just gonna grill up our jalapenos. You don't need to totally blacken them. I just wanted to take the raw edge off a little bit. So I probably grilled them for about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes. I just noticed that cat hair in there. There's always cat hair in my videos. My cat, his hair gets everywhere. I don't know if y'all who have cats and you like to cook ever notice, but it gets everywhere. Anyways, we're gonna do our burger patty, and then we're gonna flip that after a couple minutes, and it'll look beautiful and browned like that. We're gonna add a little bit of vegan cheese. I could have used pepper jack, but I didn't have any. And I don't know. I like American cheese on my burger as well. So we're gonna add a little bit of water, cover it as steam so that it melts. And now it's time to assemble our Big Mac. So give it a good slathering of that spicy Big Mac sauce. And of course, do the drips, a little bit of lettuce. So I'm doing like a time lapse here. I didn't really edit this just because I wanted to show you all, this is kind of how I style my burgers sometimes. So, you're going to see I put down a patty and then I look at it and I go, I need to realign some stuff. Sometimes things get a little lopsided, a little crooked, and like that. Look at that. We got it. What do we? Yeah, that looks better, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, it looks good. I think it looks pretty good. And it was freaking good. So here we go. I'm going to show you all me eating it. This is the first time I've ever done this. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm sorry that I'm not looking at the camera. It's a mess. Let's go for it. So I've got the burger here. Really in focus there, you can see it right there. See how spicy it is. That's spicy, but it's not like overbearing. Perfect. It's like perfect. I'm sweating a little bit, but it's really good. Okay, now I'm starting to feel it. Oh, okay. Now it's catching up. Oh, that's a creeper. It's a slow burn. Oh, it's really good though. It's like right at the precipice. I'm starting to cry, oh man. I swear, I know it looks like I'm not enjoying this, but I am. And I really did enjoy that burger quite a bit. I hope you all make this. I mean, make it as spicy as you like. Use whatever you like. You could totally use jalapenos like I did. You could use habaneros. It doesn't really matter. Whatever you like will totally work on this spicy Big Mac. If you do make it, let me know how it went. I hope you're all doing great, and I'll see ya next week.